Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. I am doing a haul video. I don't usually do haul videos, but it's been a while since I've done one, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I just wanted to show you a few things that I found that you may not know about, or you may know and I didn't know. Okay, my desk is really messy right now because I'm in the process of making some little cupcake thing you do to stick in the cupcake for my grandson's birthday party that they're having tomorrow, Saturday. Today's Friday. And he is, last year, for over a year, he was into, you know, the Paw Patrol thing. Well, now he likes PJ Masks, which I had no idea what that was, had not heard about it, but I know if my kids were small, I'm sure I would have. So I made some of these for the birthday party for the she's having, instead of a cake, she's doing cupcakes, so we're putting these in there. And I just got these off the internet and sized them. They are 2 inches, I think it was 2, no, 1.5 inches for the image, and then I did a 2-inch. This was a punch, and this is my die. I wish I had a punch like this. I need to get one, I guess, because the punch would have been a lot quicker. But I have to do 30 of these, but I did 60 of these things because I'm doing them front and back. So, and then these, I just put them on some skewers that I had already in stash. So, all right, and anyway, that's why I have a messy desk right now. You can't really see it. You can see a little bit of it, maybe not, but you know. So, and this right here, I've got to check my video, but this right here are the names that I have to do a drawing for on a hidden giveaway that I did. And ladies, if you, the ones that know what I'm talking about, I didn't forget. I've been really busy and haven't had a chance to do it. So I'm going to check to make sure there's not any more, and then I will be drawing a name. Sorry it took me so long. All right. Okay. First of all, I got these right here. They come in a set of 3, and I got them for to do my embossing powder. You know, because a lot of people do their the ones that they use a lot. You know, they use these little things. Now, I don't use a whole lot. That's why I got little bitty ones, but they had bigger ones like this, but it was only like 1 for $1 as opposed to 3 for $1. And them being smaller is better for me because since I don't emboss that much. I do emboss, but the ones it would be a lot easier than having to do a piece of paper and pouring it back in the thing, you know, all that kind of junk. So I'm gonna put them in here. So I got 3 of them. I probably do clear, white, and maybe black. I don't know. Okay. Then they had this, my Dollar Tree doesn't have all the good stuff that some of you other guys' Dollar Tree has. But well, that's okay, I guess, so I don't spend so much money. Alright, I found this mounting tape. This is a little bit thicker I think, than this. Yeah, it's thicker. I don't remember where I got this, but these are just tabs, little tab things that, you know, you can just pull off. So I thought I'd try those. And then they also had these, the double-sided tape. And I got, actually, I'm sorry, I take that back. These I got at Tuesday Morning. I forgot I went there. I thought it was all Dollar Tree stuff. No, it's Tuesday Morning and Dollar Tree stuff. Sorry about that. This was Tuesday Morning, 99 cents a piece. One of them is 1/8 of an inch width, and the other one is 1/4 of an inch. You can tell the sizes. Well, let's see. Hang on a second. It looks like there were 2 in there, but no. You can't really tell because the paper is making it look weird. So, anyway, I wanted to try those because I've never... This is from Home Hobby. So, we'll see. Then... I found this Stampendous stamp, the little house mouse thing. I've only got one other one. I'm not really into these, but this one was really cute. Sleeping on the duck's back, and the duck was asleep too, and it was only $2.99. So, I'm sorry. I'm looking at my phone because we had a relative in the hospital tonight, so I was just checking on it. Okay. Anyway, $2.99 for this. Okay, and it's just cute as can be. I also found Crafter's Companion dies. They had a bunch of them, and the only one that I liked them all, but this is the only one I really thought I just had to have. And it was $3.99, and it's just really cute. I like the little swirly, the way it looks there, really cute. And then I found a Bo Bunny stamp, snowflakes, but look at the snowflakes. They're just gorgeous. Look at that one. Oops, sorry for the glare. Isn't it just gorgeous? Pretty. It's beautimous. It's beautimous. Okay. Alright, and then I found this card set. Now, yes, I know I make cards, and I really probably shouldn't have got it. It was $4.99, but it comes in this cute little thing, and these are a scripture one there, and it had a pretty flowers here. And then you open it up, and there's another set in here that was just gorgeous too. And then there's another set, and they all have the envelopes to go with them. They were just so pretty, I just couldn't not get them. So I got those. And then I just got some little sandwich storage bags, so I'd have something to put things in. I found this sticker set at Dollar Tree. It's got all these little thingies on it. And look at these napkins I found. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. And then I've been seeing people find these. Well, this is the first time I had find them at mine. And these have like really small things in there, but some of the other colors, like the blue and something else, had the bigger seed beads, and I didn't want those for shaker cards. The bigger seed beads, I just didn't think it would look good in a shaker card, but so I got the ones with the smaller seed beads in them. I guess it depends on how big the pocket is, but I just wanted to get the smaller ones. I wish the white one that came, it had the bigger ones, but the white ones of this particular bead was just really pretty and sparkly, and I didn't get it because the seed beads in it were just too big for me. So, but that's okay. So I got the pink and the green. And then I found, I've got some black ones kind of like this that I found a couple years ago. And then I saw these. So, had to get those. And then, not everybody, but a lot of people are getting things, that's covering their workspace up that looks like wood or some other kind of thing. And I asked somebody where they got it, and they told me, and it's like this sheet of like a tablecloth looking thing. I think it's vinyl. I'm not really sure. But if it was the way that they had it set up on their table, I don't know how they did it, and how the movement of things on their table, it didn't look like vinyl, but to me, well, I really can't explain it. So anyway, I found just some of this contact paper stuff. You probably can't see it in the camera, but this is a tan color. It's got little swirl things in it, but there's a purple color in it. It's like light purple. Let's see if there's any other colors. No, it's just brown. It's a tan color and a purple swirls. I don't think you can see it. Well, you can. See that? So I thought if I had the courage to wipe everything off this desk to put this on, to see how it would do on there, because I really didn't want to spend the money for those ones that everybody else is getting. Well, we'll just have to see. Oh, and another thing I bought were, they had the Lays out. They didn't have the bigger ones the last time I looked, because I got some and they were like kind of like this the last time. But when I saw these, they've got that glimmer to them, and they had blue, green, dark pink, yellow. I mean, it was gorgeous, especially the blue. Now, I don't know why I didn't get the blue, but I thought yellow would be more summery, for me to make some flowers out of these. But then I got the smaller kind. It's a different flower, and I didn't realize it till I brought it home, but it has 2 flowers for each thing, and it's the regular 5-petal flower, and then it's got this other smaller 5-petal flower, but it's like got a texture to it. So I'll be taking these off of this thing and making some flowers out of that. And I think that was it. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing, and excuse the rattling. Hold on. Okay, I bought this. This is for an iPad, and I bought it because a year or so ago I was in a swap on Scrap the World, Tamika, and I forget what all was in it, but one lady that we had a swap with got this particular thing from the Dollar Tree, and she like just decorated it with all kind of pretty stuff, and it was just gorgeous. I don't remember if hers was black or if it was a navy color, but like she put all kind of lace and flowers and just and bling all over the place, and it was just gorgeous. So I bought one of these for when I get ready to maybe make something for somebody. So I bought one of those, and I believe that is it. So I just wanted to show you what I got, and if you have any questions about anything, just let me know, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.